Imagine a world where robots aren't just sci-fi fantasies, but everyday helpers, cooking your meals, guiding your tours, and even caring for your loved ones. That's the vision Ant Group, the Chinese tech powerhouse behind Alipay, is boldly pursuing with its new humanoid robot R1. But here's where it gets controversial. Can R1 truly rival Tesla's Optimus? Or is it just another overhyped entry in the slow-moving world of AI-powered robotics? Ant Group has been making waves at recent tech conferences showcasing R1's capabilities. At the IFA 2025 tech show in Berlin, R1 was seen preparing shrimp, a task that, while impressive, raises questions about its real-world practicality. The robot also made an appearance at the 2025 Inclusion Conference in Shanghai, according to Bloomberg. These demonstrations are part of a growing trend where companies are blending artificial intelligence with physical technology to explore new frontiers in automation. Robiant, the Ant Group subsidiary behind R1, envisions a future where this humanoid robot goes beyond kitchen duties. They suggest R1 could serve as a companion or caregiver in healthcare settings, or even as a tour guide in the travel industry. And this is the part most people miss. While these applications sound futuristic, the field of robotics has been plagued by decades of unfulfilled promises and glacially slow progress. Even basic tasks have proven challenging, leaving many skeptical about R1's potential. The company has yet to announce a launch date or price for R1, and it's currently being tested in community centers and restaurants. However, early demonstrations, like the one at IFA, where R1 placed a box on a counter at a pace that made a sloth look speedy, don't exactly inspire confidence. Is this a sign of things to come? Or will software advancements finally propel robotics into a new era of functionality? Ant Group isn't alone in this endeavor. Elon Musk's Tesla is also doubling down on AI-powered robotics with its Optimus robot. The question remains, will these efforts mark a turning point, or will they join the long list of overhyped robotic ventures? Many believe that recent software advances could finally help the field overcome its historical hurdles, but only time will tell. What do you think? Is R1 the future of robotics, or just another step in a long journey of unmet expectations? Share your thoughts in the comments below.